You may have heard about therapy and counseling in movies, television shows, books, social media, or even everyday life. You might have acquaintances, friends, or loved ones that go for therapy. You may have even considered therapy or counseling for yourself. But what is therapy? Why do people go? How can it help? First of all, it is important to understand that therapy and counseling are two very different things. Therapy is long-term and focuses on you as an individual. It is a process that involves meeting with a therapist to resolve problematic or dysfunctional behaviors, feelings, or responses. For example, if you're depressed, a therapist can help you understand how depression affects your everyday life and what coping strategies you can use to counter the negatives. On the other hand, counseling is more short-term and involves working with a mental health counselor on a specific issue. Counseling can also be done with other people if you wish to work on your relationship with them. Counseling simply provides guidance to help you better adapt and cope with the stressors in your life. Therapy can include counseling on specific issues that may arise in conversations with your therapist. Similarly, counseling may lead to therapy if your counselor sees underlying patterns and concerns that may require resolution more than just simple guidance. No one can tell you exactly what the therapeutic process is like. It is different for different people, and what the process is like depends on the goals you establish alongside the steps you take to achieve these goals. How you share your feelings and experiences is just as important as the specific issues or concerns you share with your therapist or counselor. Counseling and therapy can help greatly improve your mental well-being. They can help identify problems or disorders and assist the individual in working on them, providing them with the tools to cope with them more effectively. Going to therapy or counseling can teach you new ways to think about a situation that bothers you, and help you fight low self-esteem. You can also begin to work on feelings such as anger, fear, anxiety, panic, or shyness. Anyone can go to therapy. Just like a doctor treats physical illnesses and helps you take care of your physical health, a therapist or counselor can prescribe you with the right tools to help you take care of your mental health.
To know more about the subject log, connect with a therapist or lawyer through the United We Care website or app. Easy access to a host of professionals working just to make happiness your first priority.